Welcome to Bullseye Education. Today we will solve an exam-style problem on probability. Let's start with the example. The scenario and the question is: 3 players, Sunil, Manoj, and Hari, are playing a game where they roll a dice on a board numbered from 1 to 30. Each player gets points corresponding to the number their dice lands on. After each player rolls the dice once, a round ends. The game consists of 5 rounds. Current situation is: after 4 rounds, all players have equal points. In the 5th round, Sunil rolls a 9 and Manoj rolls an 18. So question is: what is the probability that Hari wins the game after the 5th round? 3 players, Sunil, Manoj, and Hari. They are playing a game. They roll a dice on a board numbered 1 to 30, and the points they get are based on the number they land on. After 4 rounds, all players have equal points. In the 5th round, Sunil lands on 9 and Manoj lands on 18. So, the question asks for the probability that Hari wins the game after the 5th round. To win the game, Hari needs to have more points than both Sunil and Manoj after the 5th round. Since Manoj has more points than Sunil, Hari only needs to score more points than Manoj to win. The numbers on the board range from 1 to 30. In the 5th round, Sunil's dice lands on 9 and Manoj's dice lands on 18. Therefore, for Hari to win, he must score more than 18 points in the 5th round. The possible numbers Hari can score to win are from 19 to 30, totaling 12 possible outcomes. Hence, there are 12 favorable numbers that Hari can roll to win the game. Total possible outcomes: there are 30 numbers on the board. Favorable outcomes for Hari to win: 12 numbers, 19 to 30. Probability calculation: number of favorable outcomes equals 12, total number of outcomes equals 30, probability equals 12, 30. Answer: 2/5. Hari's probability of winning the game is 2 by 5 or 40%.